Hi, we're back. We are showing the LG refrigerator. Our contractor installed it without plugging in the water line, but the freezing capabilities for ice cubes was left on, so it was churning around with no ice cubes being made. And unlike the information I read and saw on the internet and on the instruction manual, it showed a mechanical on-off switch, but there was none. So after many hours of researching and finding how to do it, it is on the main control panel. And if you can see this, there is a ice plus, ice on, off button. And you go to press that, it's currently on. And what you do is you press the button and hold it for 3 seconds. Ice maker is off. Thank you for watching.
Oh, Dad, get me.